Roku, dead forever? What are we gonna do now without Roku? Especially those who love to watch and stream IPTV and video on demand. I'm about to show you guys next. Let's go. Welcome to Touchtone. App and tech trends. We'll bring you guys the latest app and tech trends, everything from budget to high-end. If you're new, please consider going below and subscribing, hitting the little bell, keep learning about my videos. What we got coming, guys, is a $1,000 giveaway, cash giveaway. What you gotta do is you gotta subscribe, you gotta comment on my video, and you have to like. I'll be announcing in a live show real soon. So if you wanna be eligible for that, you have to do that, okay? Now we're doing giveaways as well. We're giving away a TiVo 4K stream, and we're giving away a Buzz TV vid stick, okay? That also, to be eligible for that as well, you gotta do the same thing. All right, now let's get back into the matter of hand. You've seen the title. What's going on? There's an article saying that they're shutting down any sideloading for Roku. Now, let me explain a little bit how this works. For those who know and have been familiar with the Roku or TCL TV, if you have a TCL, you have a Roku 4, Roku Ultra, Roku Stick, any single Roku. There was a developer options before you were able to sideload. That article that they pushed out was an old article. They just changed the date to yesterday. It's a false article. It's true and false. True because you can't sideload anymore the way you used to sideload with third-party apps, and you were able just to add anything on there. Even if they blocked it, you were able to add third-party apps. Well, third-party codes, third-party apps, that was not acceptable for Roku. Now, this happened, activated again, they let developers do it, it was a little bit more difficult. Now, then after that, they just shut it down completely. Then you were able to do it through the router, a long process and a difficult process. So now what they've done, obviously if you have a Roku, you have a Roku.com account, what you do is you go in there, they have their own native app, click on those native apps, and with those native apps, you're able to just watch anything you really want. A lot of those apps are not free, okay? A lot of the apps just give you very minimal free stuff, okay? Like maybe 1 or 2 or 3, 5, 10 TV shows. And what normally these companies do is they give you maybe 1 season or half a season of a TV show for free, so you can watch it, you can get into it. Once you're into it, what they do is simple. They cut you off and they make you pay for it. So a lot of you guys have the Roku, and yes, the Roku is not like the Fire Stick or the TiVo Stream. You can sideload, or in any Android box, you can sideload apps at will. Again, a lot of you must understand that this is not the same operating system as a Fire Stick or a regular Android box, okay? This is a different platform. You can't put the same type of apps. You can't put the same type of APKs, etc. Now, they have similar companies for different platforms. For example, Smarters IPTV has IPTV Smarters, an application for every single platform, just about. That doesn't mean that the one that Android uses will work on the Roku. A lot of you guys don't understand that. Same thing with Kodi. A lot of you say, well, can you watch Kodi? No, you can't. The only way you can watch Kodi is by mirroring it. There's an option inside your Roku that allows you to do that. And I'll do a video soon about that as well to show you guys how to mirror anything that you want, actually. An APK, anything on Android, you can watch on your Roku, okay? The only way you can do that is by what? By mirroring, okay? So I'm gonna put some codes for you guys in the description below. Some of them will work. I didn't go through the whole list, so if some of them don't work, don't get mad at me. I'm still giving you guys free codes, and these are codes that are not native applications to the Roku, but you can still put them in and they still work, okay? Roku have probably found out about it, they weren't too happy about it, and they've cut out the code so you can no longer see it. So I'm gonna give you a pretty long, extensive list that you can go through there. Now I'm gonna show you guys how that works. What you gotta do is you go to the description below, you go ahead and you're gonna see the code. For example, it'll give you the name of the application, HD, just giving you an example, right? It'll be a code 44555. You go in there, you put the code, and you're able to watch it, okay? That's the way you sideload now. That's the way you're gonna do that. I'm gonna give you guys those codes because I know a lot of you guys always ask me for those codes. For those who ask, is Fire Stick better than Roku? In my opinion, it all depends. If you're using IPTV, this is amazing. This is better than anything else when it comes to IPTV, unless you're using a Buzz stick, okay? The quality here, though, better than any of them, okay, for sure. And if you're interested in that, I'll put a link in the description below for an IPTV service. You can click, go on there, that's up to you. This video is for educational purposes only. What you do on your own is up to you, okay, guys? I appreciate you guys like always. No, you don't need a VPN if you're using an IPTV service. If you don't want to. Should you? Yes. Nowadays, I would really recommend it. Before 3 or 4 months ago, I wouldn't recommend it. But the way the internet now throttles, sometimes you get faster internet speeds using a VPN, believe it or not. Choosing it. Not necessarily everybody, but a lot of people will. Okay, so I appreciate you guys like always. You know the way we do here, guys. Remember, if you want to win that cash, you got to comment, like, and subscribe to this video. And if you share it, I appreciate great, okay? Choosing everybody. Wave. And subscribe. subscribe to this, and if you share faster in Roku, catch the new everybody, take away. Subscribe.